Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a special guest. I have Auntie Jean with me today, and she is going to show us how to make
jerk chicken. Again.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a special guest. I have Auntie Jean with me in the kitchen today, and today we're going to be making
Bunjal jerk chicken.
And this is one of Auntie Jean's specialties. And we have another little special guest looking over and watching today. So today we're going to be learning how to make this. Auntie Chandra's going to be sitting in the background with her glass of wine. And Auntie Jean's going to show us how to make this simple dish. So the first step when making this jerk chicken is to add the oil into the pot. And we're going to heat it up on a
medium heat.
Medium heat.
And the chicken is already seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, adobo, fresh ground garlic, pepper, sazon.
And you put salt in it too or no?
Yes,
okay.
And salt.
And you just mix that up and you can let it marinate as long as you want? Okay.
It's been marinating for a few hours.
Okay, and you could do it overnight if you want to.
Yes.
Okay.
Overnight is better if you can do it
to let it soak inside.
The seasoning soak in it.
So now that the oil is hot, Auntie Jean is going in with all of her seasoned chicken into the oil.
And we're gonna let this fry up until the water from the chicken is burnt out.
Okay, so all that rank water from the chicken comes out and then it dries back up. And for this recipe, you want to use a good amount of oil. You could always skim it off at the end if you want. But to allow that chicken to cook properly, you need a good amount of oil to fry it up.
And we're going to put onions, cut up onions, and some scallions. And let this cook with it.
So we're going to allow all of those ingredients to fry up really well. And we want all of that chicken juice to dry up on the chicken and allow it to get a little browning on it.
Yes. Until it burns, and then I'll put the little garam masala and the jerk seasoning. Okay.
So this is the jerk seasoning that Auntie Jean likes to use, the Walker's Wood brand, and this is actually the one that I like to use as well. And Auntie Chandra said she likes to use that one too. Auntie Jean said that you add in as much as you want just to give it the spice and that jerk flavor. So you add it as per your taste. Then every so often you want to go back in and stir it so this way it doesn't start to burn at the bottom of the pot. And if you wanted to, could you add other like hot pepper inside too if you want?
I always put extra jerk seasoning because it's hot already.
It's spicy.
So yeah, it's very spicy. So
okay.
I don't put too much of pepper.
And guys, if you hear a little bit of background noise today, it's because we have a few other people around in the house. So this is more of a fun video. So we're just going to leave it like that.
Adding some more black pepper. And a little bit more adobo.
And this is just basically going off of looks. If you want a little bit more, you add a little bit more.
Right.
So in the description box, we'll have all of the ingredients and measurements that we use today. But this, of course, is as per your taste. So you could gauge it as how you want it. Before
the chicken gets too dry, I add a little garam masala and my jerk seasoning so it could cook with the
stir it up.
Yeah.
So as the chicken is releasing the juices and letting those dry up, it's going to allow the chicken to be infused with all of those flavors. And although she's eyeballing it right now, I'll have the measurements for you guys later in the description box. And you want to stir that up really well, and then you're just going to let it keep cooking until all the water dries up.
And now that's it. Now I let it cook down.
So all of the chicken water dried up first.
Yes.
And then after that chicken dries up, you want to add in some water just to create a nice gravy on it.
Yes.
And it helps to cook the masala a little bit.
Just to cook up the masala, not because this I cook dry. I don't cook it with gravy.
Okay.
But just for the masala to cook, so you won't taste the masala on the meat.
Yeah. And this is the grocery store chicken, right?
Yes.
It's not the fresh farm chicken. No. Okay, so this one you'd have to cook less. If you were making with the fresh chicken, you have to cook it a little more, because the meat's a little tougher.
Yes.
And you want to cook this covered or uncovered?
No, I leave it uncovered.
Oh, because you want it to dry up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because the meat is already cooked, but I just want the masala from the chicken to, you know, cook it.
Okay.
This is finished, depending how dry you want it. If you want it drier, you let it cook down a little bit more. If you want it with a little gravy, this is perfect.
Okay. Then this is cooking for about how long? Like 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're probably gonna let this dry down a touch more then?
Yes.
Okay. So the jerk chicken is all done. It's dry now, and all of the chicken has been coated up in all of its juices and the seasonings, and at this point it's time to go ahead and serve it and give it a taste. Alright guys, so we have the finished jerk chicken here, and we have Mo and Auntie Chandra, and we're gonna go ahead and try it.
Oh, this is so soft and tender.
So soft and tender.
Wow.
Delicious.
This is really good. Nice and spicy from the jerk seasoning,
Don't touch.
and really, really delicious. So I want to thank Auntie Jean for showing me this recipe, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and leave your comments down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.
Bye!